Hello, my SEOs. My name is Kiko from PosiRank.com, and today we got more news from the Googleverse. Google's Search Liaison just dropped some hard truths on us about the elusive perfect page formula that supposedly gets you to page 1 in their rankings. In a recent social media post, Google squashed the myth that there's some magical recipe for ranking higher in their search kingdom. Forget about word counts, page structures, or any other secret sauce that your nephew who just graduated college claims to know will guarantee you first page rankings. Now, according to Google, none of it is or was ever real, dating back to pre-Google era, which was the library, I think. Yeah, that's pretty ancient. I still don't understand the Dewey Decimal System. In any event, here's the deal. Third-party SEO tools love to dish out advice on how to structure your pages that guarantee SEO success. But Google's not having any of it, or at least they're not willing to admit that it If adding an author byline makes sense for your readers, do it because it enhances their experience, not because you heard it's some golden ticket to the top of Google's charts. And that is because Google is all about user experience. At least that's what they say. Bottom line is, Google wants you to be the user's helpful content wizard. Put your readers first, sprinkle in some relevance, and give them some first-hand experience. You know, use all the E's in their EEAT to your user's advantage, and you're more likely to align with those secret signals Google uses to reward content. It's not about playing hide and seek with the mathematical formula, it's more like Jenga. You have to be calculated and precise to win the game. If you go all willy-nilly when picking the bricks, it might all come tumbling down on you the next update. So always think about giving your audience what they need first. And there you go, my SEOs. Google dropping hard truths and tough love, like your best friend talking you through your third date that ended with them leaving midway through. Just save the puppets for after she sees your stand-up bit. Don't bring them to dinner, for Pete's sakes. And just remember, SEOs, in the game of search rankings, user experience reigns supreme. And as always, if you're looking for help to navigate that Jenga tower of SEO needs for your website, whether it be content, link building, or the right paid ad campaign, head on over to PosiRank.com to schedule an appointment with one of our business managers today. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this info helpful, or share it with your content creator buddies. Until next time, my name is Kiko. Have a great day. Stop it.